Brett, who's in your hand?
Woody.
What does he say?
He said, hey, howdy.
Hey, howdy.
Hey, howdy, partner. It's a big bad boy.
What are you gonna do? What do you get to go do today, Britton? Brett. Brett, what are you going to do today?
I am going to Toy Story.
Gonna go see Toy Story 3 at the movies? What you gonna get to eat at the movies?
I'm going to eat popcorn.
And what else?